Oh, good morning, I'm William. I'm here looking at body mechanics, the way you move, the same in self-defense. Like you have to get somebody and you have to move them around and put them down. It's the same if you work in the factory or in your home, you have to move and shift things around. So it's the same thing as martial arts. Martial arts you have to use like certain ways to do it, but you should do it the same way too. So the bag here, to get actually close to the bag. In the bag, like, you got your legs straight, and you got this, see my legs are both straight, this, you lift like this, you actually load up your back, you actually have your knees bent. You start off when your knees are bent, these muscles, these muscles take the weight. You're coming from there, like the ball joint, you keep the muscles bent, you come in there, you actually lift it like this, you actually turn around, your knees bent, see like that, and you can lift, and you straighten your knees up a bit. With the object, you bring it close with your body like that, your knees bent, you use your legs, and now you lift up and carry it. Just on the bench, it's like on the bench. On the bench here, just kind of close to have your legs bent, quite close to your body, and now I straighten my legs up. And then I lift it off the bench, instead of going, you see my legs are straight, use the weight on here, on the lower back, that's why you get back pain, do that, legs should be bent, then just straighten my legs up, move like here, where I bring my legs straight, but I move my hips forward at the same time, and I bring my hips forward, see here's the object, then I bring my hips forward, I'm lifting it up, I want to move my hip forward to bring straight into my body. I'll show right here. So it's out here. I lift up normally, like with my legs straight, it's like, you see where the hurt in the back, the legs are bent, and I move my, in like this, it's like, and now the object's been close to your body. Some of like, I worked in the leather industry, you had to pick up about 50 kg bags, 75 kg bags off the floor, off a pallet, and carry them long distances. So if it's a 50 kg bag of chemicals or 75 kg bag of chemicals, goes in from here, my knees would go backwards and my hips would go forwards. So what you're doing is when you load up Ben, you actually load up the muscles here, this muscle here, and these muscles here. Then you move your legs backwards, actually working on these muscles, you move your knees back that way, and at the same time you bring your hips forward. So pretend this is a 75 kg bag of chemicals. Down. You move it. See how the bag comes in close, so we'll push the hips forward. I go put the big 75 kg bag down. Look like down. My hands are going, the bag's like off there. My knees go backwards, my hips go forward. So the bag automatically comes into my body. I'm carrying it. Then you have to carry the big bag around. You want to put it onto the, like you're stacking the ground, 50 kg bag or 75 kg bag of chemicals, down, up. You want to carry it and stick it onto another pallet. Restack that pallet. There's only 3 or 4 bags in another part. So taking the big whole pallet, they have only just 4 bags of the chemicals to go for tanning the hides. Curing into leather, so you have to carry the bag close to your body. There's another one, that's the one's on the pallet. I bend my knees, and I still hold the bag close to my body. I bring my knees and bring it down, put it down. Then you go pick up the next bag and stack it. Or you have, the other way you have to lift up from there, from here, and take it to mix it somewhere else. From here. Where does that limo go in? There, you use your legs. So now it's vertically straight, but you don't put your legs fully straight. Then you go to turn with the bag of chemicals, especially if a 75 kg bag. Like, that's no good. Put down, up, your legs are still bent. And you turn with your feet around, you carry it close to your body, walk around the bag close to your body, then you keep it close to your body. You're putting it down. It's still on my body, but I'm still sinking from the knees and down. swinging down from the knees like here, that's like that. And we're actually going to go down, I'm actually sticking my bottom out. Oh, no. Now I'm actually sticking my bottom out. The bottom's going out. And going down, then back up. Only I'm shifting stuff like around a lot. Then now, from here, instead of going, if it's even something very light, then I could go like that. Because you hear like there's small muscles on here, you overbalance. That's where you get like back pain, because it's only a light object. That's the way you turn. You should actually go, take your feet, you bend your knees, put it down on the table, and move away. Kind of take it somewhere else like there. Up. Turn your whole body. Don't go, oh, just put it like that, and go pick up the next one from there to there. That's where you get the problems. Oh, it's only a light box from this one. Take it on that table. This one, like, you see how like you turn your back, it's only small muscles. Just go. Put on there. Put it down. Once you're like at the end of the day or something, it's no good for your back. So you had a long day, it's really hard, you want to sit down. You just bend your knees, you just put your bottom down. You want to just get up. You don't need to push your knees backwards. I see most people get up with this. Like you're walking, you're going forward like this, you have to get just to lift your bottom off. They go up. Now you can actually like knees bend. But you move down your waist forwards, like the difference. But all this here is taking the weight up through here and down. Same here, you put your bottom out. The weight's actually going through the centre of my foot, right down through here, going down through here. So the weight's going straight down my leg, not on my toes or anywhere else. It's like pushing from the ground up. So there's like, when I move my knees forwards, it's actually feel it driving into the ground. And that's actually driving, I feel myself actually driving into the ground and pushing my legs back and hips forward. And you get up off ground. Like you have to carry other chemicals, or you have to like move stuff around. And you have like 50 kg bags of salt. Sometimes you have to like carry them from one place to another. Like you've got like this is animal skin, raw ones, and you have to like carry bags of salt. Then you have to cut the bags of salt open, empty them all out, and you mix other chemicals in. So you've got 20 bags of salt. You have to take from here to there. Then after that you have to cut the bags of salt open with a knife, tip them all out, and carry the other bags of chemicals over, which you only use a small amount of the bag. You have to carry those over, then you mix the chemicals in with the salt. Then you get the salt. Then this is my shovel, and that's the animal skin. So after you mixed it, you pick up the salt, you turn around like this. You have to go like, the shovel, you have to go like that. You turn the shovel like up and over. It's like a net of salt goes over and covers all the animal skins. You have to turn that up then over onto the other animal skins. By the time you've carried 20 bags of salt, 75k bag of chemicals, you only use a small amount, and another bag of chemicals, and you have to do that, mix it. So after that you're pretty much worn out. So instead of carrying the bags like all the way, you can combine like hardstyle and Tai Chi together. So you get a combination like, because the bags have to be cut open anyway. So you have to carry them, and you don't matter if you throw them as a brick wall. You've got to cut the bags open anyway. So instead of walking all that way all the time, turn this to the big bag of salt. I've gone down. I'll pick the big bag of salt up. Now I have to walk back and forwards 20 times. It's only a narrow space. Sometimes it's only like as wide as what you are, but just have to get the bags through. What I do is like, you see how the Tai Chi move is. Tai Chi move go like this. Up. See how it's all soft in your hands, your body moves. You go like this, your body moves forwards. if you get the 50 kg bag salt up like this, and you hit it, then it stops. It only goes like a certain way, because with the 50 kg, you're trying to get it moved, like you hit it, it'll just go a short way. Let's get up and up there and like it's really soft. You push the bag of salt away, and turn around and pick up the next one. Up, and up, then you push it away. Then a bag of salt goes a long way. I'll demonstrate it with a chair. Okay, this is a 50 kg bag of salt. You go up, and you hold it close to your body. We'll demonstrate it from here. You see? And close to your body from this way. What is there's my legs. Go up with this. Up, the bag jumps up. And the bag goes up. Up, then I turn my hands. That's in close. It's up, then I move my hands out. So it's up from there, so it's out, it's just short distance. Then from there, my hands and I push the bag of salt. It actually goes a long way. So yeah, it's gentle, the softer you are, it goes further, because it's better. Okay, I'll show them, try and get it from here. And you can see like how far it went. The 50 kg bag of salt, it's actually easier. If the object's heavier, it's actually easier to push, and further it'll go. Because then you got more momentum behind it to push it. If it's lighter, it's like doesn't go as far. Well, it's harder to push because it's really light. It's different, but it's heavy. Like up, and then push. Because you can feel the weight of it, then you can actually push more. It's more resistant. So that helps like moving stuff around, also working in other parts of the factory and other machines. You use the same technique. You lift the animal skin up, there's another person on the other end, two people on it. You have to lift your end up, and the other person's quite lazy. So you lift up and you want to put into the machine, up and over a roller. The other person's quite lazy, like he's lagging behind. I want you to take the weight. So that helps a lot. You pick up the animal skin up, and you go straight into a machine. Big roller inside, and it takes all stuff off the hide. Pick up, it's the same thing. You go from there up. The person's lagging behind. You go up. You go hold it there. Wait for the other end to come up. As soon as the other end comes up, hold them close to your body. That way your legs and body are taking the weight of the animal skin. Then you wait for the other person to come in. As soon as he gets it up, then you actually go. That's why you get used to coming up. You put up faster. Then it's lightly put in, and the skin in. So it helps a lot on that. It's self-defense of moving somebody around, like coming from these parts of the body. So it helps. So martial arts applications help in everyday life and factory work and everything else. The same mechanics apply. It's body arm lifting and moving stuff around, but using all your muscles in your body, the big muscles in your body, not the smaller muscles, and turning from between the whole body instead of just going. You won't see my back. See the back, like you see all these small muscles actually getting strained. You go. May seem a bit longer, but at the end of the day, like go home, you go, oh, my back's killing me. Oh, it's so sore. That's the reason why, because the small movements, like it seems nothing, but once you go home and relax, like then you feel like, oh, there's muscle that's sore, my back's sore. Like that's why it's sore. You're not turning the whole body from your waist, like from there to there, and your back straight. So you're not actually using your back. So at the end of the day, like you don't have a sore back. So I hope that helps a lot. Okay, bye.